play phi barok men tang yang ban batai ni jingpe na pien ka job play ka balong na ka Genesis ka long ka ban kong ka khot ka ba ar pho bat u play lo ong ru to ai ba ki kin ya boy ba ki kan ja ba em ba pa bat to ai ba ki kan ja ba he kin ya he ra khamat ka sahib nai te u play lo thao ya ki to kha krau ki ba he bat ya ki kan ja ba em ba par ba da ki ba ki ta ki kilaya boy hala ka chat bat ya ki kan ja ba he ru de hala ka chat te u play lo yo ba ka long ka ba bha bat u play lo kar khu ya ki u do ong tu da nang kha bat tu da nang roi bat tu da pandap ru ya kita ki ha ki du riau bat tu ai ba ki ru ki kan ja ba her kin ya nang roi ha ka khando te ka ba na chan mi kala long bat ka step ru kala long ha ka sing ka ba san flash one. I will continue from the book of Genesis chapter 1 verse 20 onwards. And God said, let the waters bring forth abundantly the moving creature that hath life, and fowl that may fly above the earth in the open firmament of the heaven. And God created great whales and every living creatures that move, which the waters brought forth abundantly after their kind, and every winged fowl after his kind. And God saw that it was good. And God blessed them, saying, be fruitful and multiply, and fill the waters in the sea, and let fowl multiply in the earth. And the evening and the morning were the fifth day.